Welcome in this tutorial for the latest ebike display. The display has 4 buttons. One is the on-off switch, the other one is for the menu, and 2 buttons for getting the assistance up and down. Let's turn on the system now, and in the main screen we can see all the main data. Let's turn on the system right now so that we can see in the main screen all the relevant informations. The assistance level has 9 levels, the speed, and the statistics. We can also check the battery charge level. As said before, with the 2 buttons here, we can increase or decrease the assistance level. When the assistance is set to 0, the motor won't assist. By pressing the menu buttons, I can change the info I want to display. In this case, average speed, maximum speed, and odometer. By keeping the menu button pressed for 2 seconds, I can reset all the statistics. I can also modify the advanced settings, such as unit of measure, sleep mode time, and wheel diameter. The display can be connected to your smartphone through a Bluetooth connection. Let's launch now the latest application. Only for the first time you have to go through the setup. Starting from the second time, the app will automatically connect. We are now connected to the bike display. In the main screen, you will see all the main data. So speed vehicle, average speed, total distance, total time, and total distance of the trip, the partial distance. You can also set the assistance level by the slider at the bottom. The app can also connect to a cardio belt. Let's scan for the cardio belt. Now in the settings screen, you can set up the cardio belt setting as you prefer. So you can set up the target BPM frequency and the responsiveness of the system. As you can see at the top, you will see the heart symbol, which indicates right now your heart is connected with the system. You can see your current BPM and the target BPM you set up in the setting. Now the assistant is getting lower, as our current BPM is lower than our target one. And now you can see that by closing and reopening the app, you have an automatic connection to both the display and also to the cardio belt. I can of course reset statistic by pushing 2 times quickly on them. That's it. Thank you for watching.